Hi, so today I've come up with an interesting topic, which is quickly prepare your presentation using ChatGPT. So you might be doing presentations day in, day out, but did you ever try using HTML for your presentation? Let's see how it's done. For this, what I'm going to do is, first, I'm going to create a prompt in ChatGPT where I will say, create a presentation using HTML to explain different aspects of data science. Then I will ask ChatGPT to add image from this location to the first page, then add some navigation buttons, previous and next buttons in each slide, and then add some colors, typography, and design. So all this will help me to create an HTML document which will be used as a PPT in ChatGPT. So let's go to ChatGPT now. So here in ChatGPT, I'm going to use the same prompt, and then I will just run it. So ChatGPT will give me an HTML file, and all I have to do now is copy this code from here and then paste it in a notepad. So I'll just open a notepad, paste here, save this file as an HTML file, which means I'm going to give it any name, right? And then add an HTML extension, .html. Since I already have saved this file in my system, I'll go there directly and open a blank browser here. And drag that file that you just created here. And that's all it takes. See, this is the image I've got from my ChatGPT where I've specified it to pick up from my local machine. Here's the next button. And then these are the navigation buttons. And you can see there are accent colors and a basic structure for the PPT. So this could be a quick way to create your presentation. Imagine you have to get ready with a basic presentation in, let's say, 5 minutes. So you can use this technique. You can enhance the design and other graphical elements using the right prompts. So you can use this technique to create presentations very fast. There would be, if you can enhance the presentation by adding more prompts or addition to these prompts. For example, you can enhance the design and background colors and even add some more graphics. You can use these HTML, PPT, or documents embed in place which allow HTML embedding. For example, you can put it in a web page or anywhere online where it allows to embed an HTML document. And then obviously you can do presentations using a browser, which again is very interesting. So I hope you find this video interesting. For more videos like this, keep following and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.